Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The appearance of the 2025 Skoda Fabia RS is anticipated to be sportier and more aggressive, reflecting the vehicle's exceptional performance and unique RS personality. With bigger grilles and noticeable black accents, the front grille is probably going to get a makeover with a sportier, bolder aesthetic. The style of the LED headlights is probably going to be sportier and sharper. For improved engine cooling, the front bumper is probably going to be rebuilt with more air vents, utilizing a bigger front splitter. To increase aerodynamics, the body lines will probably be made more forceful and fluid. Side skirts that are more noticeable to provide a sportier vibe, utilizing a rear spoiler. The rims will probably have a lighter, sportier shape that is exclusive to RS. To improve the appearance and functionality, the rim size is probably going to be bigger. It is probable that the LED taillights will be changed to have a more dynamic and sporty appearance. With two exhausts and a wider diffuser, the rear bumper is probably going to be changed. Practical and user-friendly interior design that prioritizes the driver. Use of more premium and athletic materials, including carbon fiber or Alcantara. Contrasting hues, such as red highlights, to create an athletic look. RS-specific leather-wrapped sports steering wheel with multi-purpose buttons. If an automatic gearbox is available, paddle shifters can be used to change gears more quickly. The steering wheels are S-emblem, pedals made of aluminum. Vehicle performance data is displayed on a digital instrument panel with an RS-specific display. Display that is adjustable based on the driving mode. A large infotainment touchscreen with a snappy, contemporary UI. Characteristics unique to RS, such performance statistics and telemetry. For the best music listening experience, choose a high-end audio system. Ambient lighting with color options, climate control, or automatic air conditioning. When driving at high speeds, sport seats with a unique RS design offer the best support possible. Seats with memory and electrical adjustability. On the headrests is the RS insignia. Most likely, Skoda will employ the well-proven TSI turbocharged stratified injection gasoline engine. The newest innovations will probably be added to this engine to boost efficiency and lower emissions. A 1.6-liter turbocharged engine that can generate about 289 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque powers the Skoda Fabia RS Rally 2, a DSG direct shift gearbox automatic transmission, which has been shown to be quick and smooth, is probably going to be available as an option from Skoda. The Skoda Fabia RS Rally 2 has a sequential gearbox with 5 speeds. The 2025 Skoda Fabia RS is most likely going to have front-wheel drive FWD. Skoda's Fabia RS Rally 2 is equipped with all-wheel drive.